You know what? Contestant was too easy. Was it?
Kind of. I'd say it was sort of fair.
Play on hero.
Gladiator.
Okay, fine.
Starting on a new game?
No, we're loading the game. We can change our difficulty mid-game also.
Ah.
I attack you with a spider tank, power level 5. I defend with level 6 lawn ninja. Sucker! You fell right into my trap. You're exterminated. Yo, reactor, slap me some skin.
That one's very too smart there, buddy.
Exterminator trading cards are here. There's Reactor, Shell Shock, the Eviscerator, and your favorite exterminator, Ace Hardlight. Collect them all and exterminate your friends today.
Want to play card game match?
Challenges can be completed in any order once they are unlocked. Your status on Dread Zone now allows you to access planet Serathos.
Hold on, I gotta move my microphone. Everybody probably just... God damn it. Moving the microphone. We're very professional. We're more professional than professional machinima makers. Cans and stuff everywhere. What are we doing?
We're going back to the planet and doing their stuff. I've been wanting to do that since kind of yesterday.
So we're just dicking around in menus right now.
Again.
Oh, forgot to mention. Welcome back! Ooh, we can buy both napalm and acid.
Okay, you do that. Now we are broke.
Select the weapon you want and press X. You will see at the top of the screen the weapons which are available, with the statistics of the weapon just below. Each weapon can equip a powerful Omega modification. These black market upgrades can inflict massive amounts of damage. To add, modify, or change an Omega mod, scroll down to the Omega mod button and press X. The list of available Omega mods will be displayed.
Still dicking around in menus. Alright. So we have to do the little missions here, and then we can go on to the next planet. Then we can go do the next planet's missions. Oh, by the way, now that we can do old missions now that we're on a harder difficulty.
Oh, okay.
And we'll earn an extra star since we're on a harder difficulty because of it.
Okay, that's cool.
This is a standard weed out regimen for beginning gladiators. You're a beginning gladiator.
Well, yeah.
Oh, by the way, enemies deal more damage and they take more damage, and health doesn't heal as much. Don't worry, that lava doesn't hurt us. Though it likes to float in midair, though. Ow.
Why is there fire everywhere?
Why isn't there? There needs to be more fire everywhere.
Oh god,
More.
I thought it glitched for a moment.
More damn fire!
It's just the guy with the shotgun.
Okay, fine. I got the grenade launcher now. More fire! See, look, now I'm shooting lava
You know,
everywhere.
there's a health pack right here in case you need it.
Well, it doesn't heal that much anymore. They don't heal as much as they used to, babe.
Well, I'm good on health.
I know that. I noticed.
You probably are the one who killed Moar.
Amazingly, I did. I thought you were doing all the work.
No, You're the one with the shotgun. It kills like everybody. That's not a bad thing. I wanted the twin pistol since yesterday, but I forgot how to switch them out.
It's time to get silent but deadly.
I think I just shit myself already.
Open a window.
That reminds me, I need to take a shower.
Don't get excited, Juanita.
I just took a shower, and I'm like, I'm gonna take a shower. You can do whatever the fuck you want until then. And you tell me you want me to fuck shower.
I was playing Infamous.
Fuck that Infamous.
Oh, baby, I love that smell.
By the way, we're both losing health at the same time.
Why?
Because the room is being filled up with my stank. Because I haven't showered yet.
Dude, it isn't like you didn't take a bath for 3 days. You should be good.
You don't know that? Actually, yeah, you do. I did shower. I did shower yesterday. I think I showered before we started this.
Some gladiators just can't handle their gas.
Oh, I am, Leonard.
What?
I was wondering if we could find out how much bulk we have.
Our money?
Yeah, and I just realized it was on the top of the screen again.
It's always in the top right corner.
I never noticed that until now. I'm sorry for being so stupid.
Oh my god!
Why? Why?
I just want to bang my head against something.
Is it because you're like, why are you doing so good by not noticing this stupid shit?
No, why are you doing so stupid? Oh my god!
Wait, we did everything?
Yes, but why are we going back?
Oh, I didn't know.
Unless you want to do the first mission again and get the next star on that one.
Oh, hell yeah.
Do the same mission, do the first mission again here, and now we're gonna get the star for it.
We did it.
Wow, we took down a... I want rainbow weapons.
You and me both.
But we gotta beat the game to unlock to try to start getting those.
Oh, okay. Rainbow, rainbow powers activate. Want me some rainbow powers.
Dread Zone challenges some.
Hey, get you some help.
I'm fine.
I thought I was gonna die again.
Really?
Yeah.
Firing shield.
Oh shit, I got hit.
Well, that's why you gotta stay behind the shield.
I'm sorry, man. Oh, dude. That's what I found out when I was watching Buffy season 2.
My god, what?
Seth
Rogen!
No, not, who's that guy from fucking, and he voices that one dude from Family Guy?
Seth MacFarlane.
Is that his name?
Are you referring to the guy who voices everybody in Family Guy?
No, the one who voices the son.
Seth Green.
Yes, he's in Buffy.
No shit.
I didn't know that, I just got into the fucking series.
He actually says he's in Buffy when he's in Robot Chicken.
Really?
Yes!
Help me.
Be careful, Ratchet. The bolt cranks may trigger incoming waves of enemies.
You still haven't died yet, so that's a good sign.
I need you to fire an EMP for me.
What's an AMP?
You don't know what an EMP is?
No. I told you I'm not good at these games.
Push left on the... Push left. Left button. Left button. Thank you. Now we can take it out. Oh yeah, you push R2 to switch between weapons. I don't know if you...
No, I forgot.
So you're still firing EMPs. Well, hey, we got the star for it.
Yay!
Yay!